Hi guys, today I will guide you through how to download Chatgpt on your computer. It's very simple. The first thing is open the browser which you prefer to use in your computer. Once your browser will be open in the Google search bar, simply search for Chatgpt. Once you will search for it, you will see different websites which allow you to get access of GPT. Scroll down and here is main site OpenAI. Click on it. Once you will click on it, the first thing here you have to do is sign in your account in the ChatGPT. Then they will allow you to use it in order to log in. Take a look on the right top, you can see the icon Login. Simply click on this icon. After clicking on it, you can see my account is signing in to ChatGPT. But maybe it will ask to enter your password. Because my account data is already saved in this browser's, that's why I redirected to ChatGPT. For downloaded in your Windows, there is no official way by which you can do it. In order to download, take a look on the right top, you will see 3 dots. Click on these dots, and here you can see the icon Cast, Save, and Share. Once you will take your mouse cursor on it, here you can see Install Page as an app. Click on it and tap on Install. Now you can see the GPT has been installed on my computer now for using it. I don't need to open my Google Chrome. Here I can do whatever I want. Let me write something. So I wrote a random question to the GPT and let the GPT answer. And you can see the answer, if I minimize it, you see the Chrome is working separately. It was the way by which you can download GPT on your computer.